I'm looking at a Westinghouse digital television. It's LED backlight. I think it's a 46-inch DW46F1Y2 television, flat screen television. The television's dead in terms of it doesn't power up. There's no standby indicator and no activity when you hit the power button. So I checked the power supply, and I wasn't getting any 12 volts, I wasn't getting any 5-volt rail, and no standby, pretty much dead. But what I've found is a shorted barrier diode, Schottky diode here on the board, which I think is a SR5150. If I can't quite get the camera to focus on that, but it's yeah, it's an SR5150, and that's a 5 amp 150 volts Schottky diode, and like I say, it's gone short circuit, so I'm going to try replacing it, see what happens. I've measured the output of the where the output would go from the diode, and it doesn't appear to have any shorts to ground. So I'm going to replace the barrier diode here and see if that solves the problem. So in amongst my parts, I've found some barrier diodes. These are SB5100, and they're higher rated, but they should work fine. Well, as you can see, we now have a standby light, so that's a good start. And just going to hit the power button, see if the backlights come on. Well, the standby's changed colour. Yep, there's the backlights. So everything appears to be working. So all it was that barrier diode right there, that Schottky diode, which supplies the 12 volt rail, and that had gone short circuit.